welcome to the ProcessPro video training series. In this video, we're going to take a look at something called data cleansing. Data cleansing is used primarily to limit the number of duplicate profiles that exist within the software. Duplicate profiles can be an issue if you have information about a customer spread out across 2 or 3 profiles. Something can fall through the cracks. So we've developed a very simple system to manage those potential duplicate profiles, and we're going to go through that right now. The data cleansing system can be accessed in a few different ways by users with appropriate permissions. The first one's going to be up under Tools. We have a data cleansing icon here. You can also access the data cleansing system with a right click. Out of any of our list views, I can right click on a specific customer and check for duplicates by clicking Launch Data Cleansing. Very handy before I go to work a deal. I can right click Launch Data Cleansing just to make sure there's only one profile for that customer. I can also, if I know there's a duplicate, I can use my search and select multiple customers here. I'm holding Shift down on the keyboard to multi-select, or if I hit Control, I can click specific ones on or off. And then what I'm able to do is once I have my customers highlighted, I can click down here to launch the data cleansing system. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to hit Data Cleanse. Everything that I had highlighted is going to show up in my selection window here at the top. Now, as I check more of these boxes, or if I highlight, you'll notice if I highlight something even without a check, it gets added to this table down here to be able to merge these. So anything highlighted or checked is going to show up down here at the bottom. Now what we're going to end up doing is each one of these columns has a check mark for each row. So as you notice, I can only check one box for first name. So if I select a first name here, these other two basically get deleted. The whole process, however, is going to take information from all 3 of these existing profiles, merge them onto one profile, and all I'm doing right now is checking the information that I want to keep. So as I go down through, I just need to make sure I have a check mark on each one of these rows, birthday, as well as any communication information. I can uncheck if I know that that information doesn't need to be included, but anything selected across all 3 of these columns at the bottom will be retained on the merged profile. So what I'm going to do here is if I'm happy with all the information I have selected, I simply go down to Merge. It's going to let me know if I don't have something selected. So let's go back and add a mailing name, and we'll hit Merge. Now I'm going to get a message. This is very important. Do you want to permanently merge all of the check customers? So what I always tell users here is if we're not 100% sure that that is the same customer, it is a duplicate profile, leave it alone, come back and check when we know for sure. Because once this is merged, there is no splitting that information back out to the previous profile. There is only one version of that customer now with a combined contact history, sales history, service history from all 3 of those previous profiles now exist here on this one clean merged profile. The data cleansing system is designed to help dealerships ensure data integrity by eliminating duplicates anywhere during the process. Again, we can go to Tools and select Data Cleansing. It's going to be available on a right-click option, as well as our ability to search and manually find those duplicate profiles. The data cleansing system can be added as a permission for any user in the software. So if you or a member of your team needs access to data cleansing, please contact New Tech Support. That concludes our video about data cleansing. Thanks for watching.